2 police officers were shot during an Independence Day fireworks show and concert in Philadelphia Monday night, according to local reports. One officer was struck in the right shoulder and the other suffered a graze wound to the head when gunfire erupted at about 9:45 p.m. near the Philadelphia Museum of Art as crowds gathered to watch a fireworks display, NBC10 Philadelphia reported. Both officers are listed in stable condition at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital, according to the report. The shooting occurred following a free concert at the park on the Benjamin Franklin Parkway, the news channel reported. The concert featured performances by Jason Derulo, Tori Kelly and Ava Max and was part of the city's 16-day-long Welcome America Festival sponsored by WOA. The shots were fired from behind the location where the concert had just taken place, an area near 25th and Spring Garden Streets, according to NBC10. Video from the aftermath showed a chaotic scene in which throngs of people ran for their lives after learning of the shooter. Philadelphia police advised people in surrounding buildings to shelter in place and avoid the area if not already there. Officers also set up a reunification meeting point in front of the Free Library of Philadelphia on Vine Street for those who got separated from family and friends during the frantic aftermath. No arrests have been made.